Hi everyone, welcome back. This is unboxing and first look video of Logitech Zone wired headset. This is USB powered. It comes with the USB-A and USB-C adapter. And it has a 40 mm sound driver, quite good as I have been using since unpacking it for last couple of weeks. Here is the package when opened, and there is a control button to turn the meeting on or off, that is to connect it to or disconnect it from. It has got puffed ear pads and a long wire, and volume can be increased or decreased, and there is a mute button on top, and it can be used for playing music as well and pausing it. And this is the USB-A connector, and the original connector is USB-C, and we can use it with the adapter. And this is the nice case. Thank you everyone.